Hello investors and future millionaires. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate guide to unlocking the secrets of financial success. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the biggest names in financial education and investments today, Jaspreet Singh and his revolutionary channel, Minority Mindset. If you're tired of the rat race and seeking true financial independence, this video is for you. Get ready for a journey that will transform your financial mindset and equip you with the tools needed to build lasting wealth. Jaspreet Singh isn't just another financial guru. He's an entrepreneur, investor, and lawyer who built his fortune from scratch, and now he shares his knowledge in a practical, accessible way. What makes Minority Mindset so special? It's his unique approach, which challenges conventional thinking about money and the economy. Instead of following the majority, Jaspreet encourages us to adopt a minority mindset to think differently, invest intelligently, and seek opportunities where few dare to. In this first part, we'll explore the essence of the minority mindset. What's the philosophy behind Jaspreet Singh? He believes that true wealth building isn't just about cutting expenses and saving every penny. While saving is important, the primary focus should be on increasing your income, investing your money strategically, and understanding market trends. Jaspreet constantly emphasizes the importance of financially educating yourself, not relying solely on a salary, and creating multiple sources of passive income. He demystifies the world of investments, making it understandable even for those starting from scratch. We'll see how Jaspreet addresses topics like debt, conscious consumption, and the importance of having a solid financial plan. He doesn't promise magic formulas, but rather a path based on discipline, knowledge, and action. The key is to change how you view money from a tool for spending to a tool for building financial freedom. Stay with us, because in the next parts, we'll delve deeper into the wealth-building strategies and market trends that Jaspreet Singh frequently discusses. Get ready to have your mind expanded and your financial future transformed. Remember, the minority mindset is about being different to achieve different results. Continuing our exploration of the minority mindset, we arrive at the core issue, the wealth-building strategies that Jaspreet Singh advocates. He doesn't just talk about the importance of investing, he details how to do it effectively. The first and perhaps most crucial strategy is continuous financial education. Jaspreet insists that knowledge is your greatest tool in the world of investments. He encourages reading books, following financial market news, and of course, consuming quality content like his own channel. Without understanding the fundamentals, any investment becomes a gamble. One of the cornerstones of philosophy is creating multiple income streams. Don't settle for a single salary. He explores various avenues to generate passive income, from investing in real estate for rent, creating online businesses, to stock dividends. Income diversification not only increases your earning potential, but also provides a layer of financial security, protecting you from unforeseen events. Jaspreet frequently shares his personal experiences with different income streams, offering practical insights and valuable tips for anyone looking to start. In the realm of investments, Jaspreet Singh covers a variety of assets. He is a proponent of long-term investing in stocks of solid companies with good growth potential. He teaches how to analyze balance sheets, understand a company's intrinsic value, and not be swayed by market panic. Besides stocks, he explores the potential of real estate as a powerful tool for wealth building, whether through buying for rent, flipping properties, or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. He also has a pragmatic view on cryptocurrencies, acknowledging their potential but always warning about volatility and the need for in-depth research. Another fundamental point is debt management. Jaspreet argues that not all debt is bad, but it's crucial to understand the difference between good debt, which generates income or value, like a business loan, and bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt. He offers strategies to efficiently pay off debts and avoid financial traps. Discipline is the watchword. He emphasizes the importance of automating your savings and investments, creating a realistic budget, and reviewing it regularly. Consistency, even in small amounts, over time, can lead to exponential results. In the minority mindset, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint, and requires patience and persistence to truly prosper in the world of personal finance and investments. Understanding market trends is crucial, and that's exactly what Jaspreet Singh, from Minority Mindset, does with mastery. He doesn't just react to the market. He tries to anticipate movements and identify opportunities before they become obvious to the majority. Jaspreet is always attentive to economic indicators, government policies, and technological innovations that can shape the financial future. He teaches us to look beyond the daily news cycle and focus on the big picture. One of the areas Jaspreet frequently highlights is technology. He understands that innovation drives growth and creates new avenues for investments, whether in software, companies, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, or renewable energy. He explores how these trends can impact the stock market and create opportunities for long-term investors. He doesn't limit himself to discussing large established companies, but also looks for startups and emerging sectors with high appreciation potential. The key is research and understanding the business model behind the technology. Beyond technology, Jaspreet also analyzes macroeconomic trends, inflation, interest rates, monetary policies. These factors significantly impact all types of investments. He simplifies these complex concepts, explaining how they affect your purchasing power, the value of your assets, and the opportunities that arise in different economic scenarios. For example, during periods of high inflation, he might suggest strategies to protect your capital, such as investing in real assets or companies that can pass on costs to consumers. Another important aspect of Jaspreet's market trend analysis is his view on the real estate market. He doesn't just talk about buying property, but also about regional trends, the demand for different types of properties, and the impact of factors like population growth and interest rates on property values. He encourages us to do our homework before investing, researching the local market and understanding the risks and rewards involved. He also addresses the future of work and how that might influence real estate trends. Jaspreet also keeps an eye on global trends and how international events can affect the US economy and, consequently, your investments. He reminds us that the world is interconnected and that a crisis in one country can have repercussions in others. By understanding these market trends, you not only make more informed investment decisions but also position yourself to capitalize on opportunities that most people overlook. Following the minority mindset is like having a lighthouse in the complex ocean of the financial market. We've reached the fourth and final part of our deep dive into Jaspreet Singh's minority mindset universe. After understanding the philosophy, wealth-building strategies, and market trend analysis, what remains is action and the right mindset. Jaspreet always emphasizes that knowledge without action is useless. It's not enough to watch videos, read books, or understand concepts. You need to apply what you learn. The first step is always the hardest, but it's the most important. Start small, but start. The financial mindset is a central pillar of the minority mindset. Jaspreet argues that how we think about money and wealth directly impacts our actions and results. He challenges us to overcome limiting beliefs about money, not to be afraid of failure, and to view challenges as learning opportunities. Resilience is fundamental on the path to financial independence. There will be ups and downs in the financial market, and the ability to stay firm and learn from mistakes is what differentiates successful investors. Jaspreet also addresses the importance of surrounding yourself with people who share your financial goals. Community and networking can be powerful tools for growth. He encourages seeking mentors, participating in discussion groups, and exchanging experiences with other investors. Learning from others' mistakes and successes can accelerate your own journey. Remember, the minority mindset isn't about being selfish, but about empowering yourself financially to have more freedom and positively impact the world around you. To conclude, Jaspreet Singh's minority mindset offers a clear roadmap for anyone seeking financial freedom. It's not a shortcut, but a path paved with financial education, smart investments, multiple income streams, and a proactive mindset. The main keywords that permeate his message are personal finance, investments, wealth building, passive income, financial market, and financial independence. If you apply these principles, you'll be well on your way to transforming your relationship with money and achieving your most ambitious goals. Make sure to subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub for even more insights and strategies on your journey to financial success. The financial future is in your hands. Start building the life you've always dreamed of today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.